Youth at the forefront of nation building. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has called upon the youth of the country to contribute selflessly and constructively in the politics. Addressing the valedictory function of the Second National Youth Parliament Festival on Tuesday, the Prime Minister said that politics is a big medium to bring about meaningful change, and like every other field, the presence of youth is critical in politics as well. He assured the youth that honest people are getting opportunity to serve, changing the old notion of politics as the site of unscrupulous activities. In this context, he dwelt at the length of the politics of dynasty and called upon the youth to root out dynastic system. Evoking the teachings of Swami Vivekananda on his birth anniversary, Prime Minister Modi said the youth of country has to come forward and take responsibility for the development of the nation. What makes youth essential towards nation building? The role of the youth in the nation building is crucial. They are problem solvers, having a positive influence on other young people and nation, and are extremely ambitious. They have the ability to create an identity for themselves and move the nation forward. National Youth Parliament Festival. National Youth Parliament Festival is part of National Youth Festival, which will be celebrated from 12th to 16 January. Since 1995, the Department of Youth Affairs has organized 23 National Youth Festivals. The objective is to bring the youth of the country together to showcase their talents, provide them platform. Yuva Utsaah Naye Bharat Ka is the theme of this year's festival, which suggests that the youth bring alive the celebration of the new India. The basic aim is to propagate the spirit, essence and concept of Ek Bharat Shresth Bharat. National Youth Festival. It is celebrated every year from 12 to 16 January to commemorate the birth anniversary of youth icon Swami Vivekananda. It is an annual gathering of youth with various activities including competitive ones. It is organized by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports in collaboration with one of the state governments. It aims to propagate the concept of national integration, spirit of communal harmony, brotherhood, courage and adventure among the youth by exhibiting their cultural prowess in a common platform. This is done by organizing gathering of youth across the country and encouraging them to take part in different activities.